In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to find Duolingo promo code in 2024. Duolingo promo codes are valuable as they offer cost savings and access to premium features such as offline learning, an ad-free experience, and advanced progress tracking. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in Duolingo promo code 2024 plus the current month. You will see a bunch of different websites, but head to this website right here. It's called krnl.com. I'll leave a link of this website in the video description. On the landing page of this site, you will see all Duolingo active coupon codes of the current month we are in. You will see all active codes to redeem right away. Just choose any code. On your screen, hold on to any selected code to get copied successfully. This website provides legit coupon codes of other companies as well. Simply navigate to the very end to make sure you enter in your email address so that you don't miss out on instant deals. Head to the Duolingo official website. Paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your Duolingo promo code every month in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.